My name is Sanjay Jindal. I have been born and brought up in Shaban Marganda, district Kurukshetra. I have done my graduation in BTech in Electronics and Communication from Kurukshetra University. I work in Uflex Limited Jammu for 1 year. After that, I worked with New Dimension Private Limited Delhi for 6 months. I belong from a nuclear family. My mother is a housewife and my sister is currently pursuing MTech from NIT Kurukshetra. Currently, I am pursuing my PCPM in Finance and Marketing from IPS Gurgaon. My hobbies are playing cricket and traveling, and I love to interact with the many people. Coming on the question that why I want to work for a startup, there are n number of reasons that anyone or I want to work for a startup. The first reason is the versatility and the spectrum to experience. If you work in a big corporate firms, then you will only limited up to only for one department. If you work for a marketing firm, then you will, and your job is only sales, then you are only limited up to sales. But if you work for a startup, then you will get a chance to work with every department of the organization. Like if you will get the chance to work with finance as well as the HR as well as the other operations department also. Another reason is the bureaucracy. That by the mean of bureaucracy, I want to say that open work culture and healthy work environment. As in the big corporates, you will find a number of hierarchies, organization structure, and everything. But in a startup, you don't find there is an open work culture. There is no cabin system. Another reason is you will get to chance to work with the entrepreneurs and the innovators. So you will grab as much as you can, and you will learn so many things from a startup. And you will have a freedom of work in a startup. So and you will feel fresh in a startup to work. And if you get the opportunities and you will able to fulfill those opportunities, you will get recognized and you will get rewarded. So these are the major reasons then anyone or I want to work in a startup. Coming to the question that why Fab Hotels, majorly Fab Hotels is basically get a success because of its innovation, because of its innovative idea that it's collaborating on technology and as well as the other things. So it's a quite innovative idea. And from a customer point of view, it's specifically talking about the hotel industry or hospitality industry. Any customer who want to stay in a hotel dream for a lavish stay and within affordable prices and on the convenient location. So Fab Hotels successfully upgrade all these facilities in their criteria. As you know, if we specifically talk about Gurgaon, Fab Hotels present in 20 locations, around 20 locations in Gurgaon. So if a customer get all the opportunities, like he'll get all the lavish stay, like he'll get the spa and other facilities, and in a minimum price range. So this is a big thing in a hotel industry. And even in the last months back, Fab Hotels also funded around $5 million from two major investors, Alcatel and Kalasari. In India, there is a huge growth in hospitality industry from the time when Modi government came in. They are majorly focusing on the hospitality industry. So Fab Hotel has ample of opportunities in this industry and has a lot of chances to grow. So that's it from my side as Fab. Thank you so much.